Oh, you put strap.
Well, of
So how you
course.
go? Oh, there, the back in the back of the house. I thought you go inside the house with that.
In the house?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay.
I've got to make a path for it.
You just, what do you call that? You just push it or what?
Well, wheel it in there. It's a hand
You roll.
truck.
You roll
Well,
over. You're gonna roll over.
Hand truck, I guess, is probably the technical name.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Well, I'm good at strapping first.
Don't strap it.
No, well, then it's not gonna stay very well.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look, over here.
Huh? Really? You're distracted easily.
What?
Get your
Okay.
trunk when I get there?
It's so cold.
There it is.
Now I'm coughing. Come on, hon. I'm coughing.
Get your trunk there.
Okay, I'll get my trunk. Oh my God. You make dirty my trunk now.
Needle here.
Go away, go away.
Well, I'm in. Whoa.
What did you do to my car? You breaking it? I see that. I see that.
No, you see nothing.
I see that. You break my car.
You see nothing.
You see nothing. All right, bye.